A large deli loaf of focaccia filled with thinly sliced cured Italian meats, grilled red pepper, artichokes, cheese, and buttery pesto, oven baked. A quick and easy weeknight meal idea that also works for a snappy, casual lunch, too. Let's make a toasted Italian focaccia sandwich. This fab sandwich idea rivals anything you'll find at a fancy sandwich shop or deli counter. Better still, the sandwich gets oven baked, so the bread gets crispy, the cheese is melted, the entire thing is exceedingly delicious. Wait a second, why don't I just show you how to make it? Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna line a baking tray or pizza pan with parchment paper. Today, I'm using a round onion-topped focaccia, but square or rectangular bread works too. Cut the bread in half widthwise, then open your bread on the work surface. Now grab a small bowl. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter at room temperature plus 2 tablespoons of basil pesto. Stir them together, then divide the buttery pesto between the top and bottom of the bread. We're going to smooth it out evenly across both surfaces. Move the bottom part of the focaccia onto your baking tray because now it's time to build the sandwich. Let's start with a layer of cheese. It is thinly sliced provolone, wonderful. We're also going to add thinly sliced cured Italian lunch meats like spicy capicola, about 8 ounces worth. Next, let's do a layer of roasted red peppers. Let's do another layer with a different cured meat, this time a beautiful Italian mortadella. How about some thinly shaved red onion? And then more cheese, please, some more provolone. Let's go back to the cold cuts, a spicy calabrese. Let's top the sandwich off with some chopped marinated artichokes. Just look how amazing this is. We're going to place the top of the focaccia onto the sandwich, and then we can transfer the sandwich to the oven to bake for 15 minutes or until the bread is crispy and the cheese has melted. Bringing it out of the oven, we are ready to dig in, but give it about 5 minutes to cool off a bit before we slice it into wedges. You can serve as is or with a favorite salad or soup. Quick, easy, and yes, mighty tasty. You can serve this for lunch, for a weeknight dinner, serve it for game night. Serve it any night, it is so delicious. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a sandwich is this sensational, take a picture of it and post it using hashtag weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. The absolute best toasted Italian focaccia sandwich. One bite and you'll know what all the fuss is about. Now that's a good sandwich.